If you are a student and you don't want to watch this video till the end, you might miss opportunities that people pay thousands to learn about. Today, I'll show you real summer research programs for 2026 directly on their official website. No rumors, no fake promises, just verified opportunities. This program helps you build strong academic excellence, prepare for scholarship, and stand out for graduate school. I'll show you who can apply, what to look for, and where most students make mistakes. Stay with me, because the last programs are often ignored but extremely powerful. Summer research programs are structured academic opportunities where students work with researchers or labs during the summer. They are not normal internships. Universities value them because they show commitment, research ability, and academic focus. That is why they appear strong on CV. Let's start with one of the most respected research organizations in the world, CERN in Switzerland. CERN runs summer programs for students in physics, engineering, computer science, mathematics, and IT. You work with international teams and attend structural lectures. This experience alone can significantly strengthen your academic profile. Funding, allowance, support depends on the specific program, so always read the official details. Germany. Germany is one of the best countries in the world for research opportunities. DESY offers a summer student program focuses on physics, photon science, accelerators, and computing. If you are interested in research in Germany, this is a strong option. DAAD, Germany. DAAD connects international students to research internship across German universities. This is especially useful if you plan to study in Germany later. Now, let's talk at opportunity in the United States. Purdue SOF. Purdue University runs the SOF program, which focuses on engineering and research training. Structure, competitive, and respected. Another program is WHOI, whose Oceanographics Institute focuses on science and engineering research. Student works on a real project under expert supervision. Asia's also offer excellent research opportunities that many students ignore. The University of Hong Kong offers summer research program aimed at students considering postgraduate studies. University of Tokyo. The University of Tokyo UTRIP programs offer an intensive research experience in Japan. The academic quality here is extremely high. Most students don't fail because they are not smart. They fail because their CV is poorly structured, their motivation letter is generic, or they apply late. These programs want clarity, not perfection. If you want to apply smart, start early, customize your application, and follow the official instructions. Never rely on social media shortcuts. I have organized all the official links on my blog. Check the descriptions, bookmark the page, and apply early. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and watch the next video on screen. Comment ready if you are applying for summer 2026.